to the other. Keep that thing spinning. There's no hurry at this point. When you get to the end, when you're getting close to getting an ember, that's when I'm going to rush you. So take your time here. You see it's already starting to smoke. If y'all on the other side, you can come around here and look. You can watch the dust. All right, you can pick up the pace a little bit now. All right, now we're going to go for the turbo. See what you got. Come on, throw Justin up now. Come on.
He'll get it right there. He's going to get her.
You got anything else? Just one more boost. Come on, one more boost. All right, you got it. Stop. Keep your foot steady.
Your face is red.
Slowly pick up your foot.
All right. I believe he got her.
Let it rest. Slowly.
Got enough on it? Let her congeal for a motor, Rob.
Too late, I've done moved it down.
Yeah, but we don't want to know how to do it, but we don't want to. Yeah, there you go.
You got her. We may just flip it off the block. You gonna have enough. You gonna have enough up there. Let it congeal together good. You gonna have enough. We got enough wind now. Doing it. Yeah. On this
Wow. Good job.
Not yet.
Well, but you got that. That's the hard part right there.
Yeah.
You missed everything. That was so fun.
Open back your hand up now.
You ready to start blowing up now?
Yeah, start kind of blowing up right there.
Actually, this is called a bug drill.
She's down there. You can go for it now.
There you go.
Woo!
Good job.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
That little bitty bag.
I said, no. I said, now, we're throwing a party.
Far.
We'll put the cream in it out.
Well, it's looking good, Willis.
Only from the description of what I've been told.
I think.
There's some balls. Yep.
102.
Another liner.
Probably a good choice because you have to carry that Dutch oven around for the next 40 years.
Wait a little one.
That's exactly why that's there.
091.
091.
Donna.
I need that stick. That is my number, isn't it?
quit and put in whatever hat it was.
091.
125.
1,
What are we
2,
doing?
5.
Anywhere, or just somewhere?
These 3 tables.
These 3 tables.
Stuff on the back of the table.
All right.
114.
114.
Got excited now. 125.
I'm just saying. You got what you want?
119.
119.
Is this part of the proof?
Or just one.
Are the bags part of it? Yeah.
All right, I'm done.
Hey, I'm the only one that can get smart out. Okay? But you know, it's
124.
24.
you wonder. No more lanterns.
095.
Hey Rob, can you help me with these birdies?
Hey, there you go, Michael.
Is this actually part of it? Reach further than bird.
Did we get these 2 out here? Right here. I got clubs.
All right, Robert back here, Bluegrassbushcraft. Coleman Restorations. We're at the fall meet. We got big crowd here. Anybody get us a head count? You want somebody get us a head count? Anyway, we put together a collection. We were shooting for 100 lanterns this year. We got a solid 200 lanterns this year. This is a special light up. It's going out to 2 people. It's going out to my brother Ray that recently passed, and another member of our community, Scott McCaffrey. I can't pronounce his name, I'm sorry. Scott, Ray, this light up's for you all.